सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम। अब देख सकते हैं एक दो प्लेन्स है, दो प्लेन्स पे एक स्फीयर रेस्ट कर रहा है एंड दोनों प्लेन्स का अपना अपना एंगल्स है अल्फा बीटा एंड बोथ inclined planes are resting on the smooth. You can see here the smooth surfaces here. Okay, and this is the plane 1, plane 1, plane 2, and this is the sphere. So now reading the problem statement, two inclined planes as we have seen 1 and 2 are placed on a smooth horizontal plane. So this is the smooth horizontal plane and a sphere rests upon them. So this is the sphere, this is the sphere. The inclined planes are prevented, these two inclined planes, this one and two, prevented by a string, means there is just some string like that, and this one, this is the plane, this one kind of thing. Okay, and this is the string which is not visible here, connecting them at the lowest points. So here somewhere. Then show that the ratio of the weight, means W, to the tension, means divided by T, of the string is the sum of the cotangents of the inclination of the planes, means cot alpha plus cot beta. So this we have to get. Okay, so let us solve it. The solution, and we know firstly we have to draw the FBD, free body diagram, free body diagram of each, means the system, this is the system, is made of first sphere, second the left side plane, inclined plane, then right side plane. Okay, so these are total three subsystems we have. Okay, so individually we have to draw the free body diagram. So let us draw for the sphere. Here we can sphere, taking sphere, so sphere, ठीक है, ये sphere हो गया, this one. Okay, and the weight we have to show here, and the contact points are, suppose this one and this one, this is A, this is B, and it has its own weight, so it is WS. Okay, so here reaction, here reaction, and both reactions are perpendicular because they are point contacts. तो यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा, it is named by RA and it is named by RB. Okay, so this is done, but angle we have to find out. So doing it again, how to find out the angles. So this one, this is the weight WS, like draw the horizontal line. Okay, and this is the inclined plane with the beta angle. Okay, and this is the point of contact. So here with the center of the sphere, this one, so it is making, yeah. Now our purpose is to get angle of this. What will be this angle? So this there are two horizontal lines are there, this one and this one. So it is making the corresponding angle. That's why if this angle is uh, beta, so here also it will be beta, and then this will be also beta, and this angle is 90°. So it will be 90 minus beta. Okay, and this one and this one is also making 90°. So if this angle is 90 minus beta, so obviously this angle will be beta. So in this way, now we have angles of inclination of the weight of the sphere with the reactions. Similarly, this can be extended for the left side, the plane. The same, in the same way we can get the angle. Okay. Now, so this is a free body diagram for the sphere we have done. अब हम करेंगे free body diagram for planes. So first one, left side inclined plane. Both are inclined planes, so left side plane we can say. Okay, so इसका free body diagram कैसा बनेगा? This one, this one, this one. Okay. तो what we do in free body diagram, supports को remove कर देते हैं. We remove the support, so the horizontal smooth surface. So in place of that we can write, suppose here R1, to counter the weight of this plane. So it is suppose W1, and this angle is alpha. Okay. Also, it will also experience the reaction RA. We can see here, this reaction, this one. So इसके just opposite में, so that it can counter, it can cancel to each other with the reverse direction and RA. But what about angle? It is inclined with the alpha. It is vertical line. Okay. So how many forces we have? So this, suppose this is one, first, second, and third. What about there is string? So there will be, इसको टेंशन से सपोज रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. So 4 forces we have, and 4 forces we have. So solution is, can we apply Lami's theorem we cannot apply because it is limited to only three forces, three concurrent forces. So our option is the equilibrium condition. Okay, so applying equilibrium conditions, summation of fx is equal to 0 and t direction कैसा है, in positive direction, and what about RA? RA negative direction, and angle with vertical, तो वर्टिकल के साथ एंगल अल्फा है, बट हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस चाहिए, मीन्स वे सो हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्सेस में क्या हो जाएगा, साइन अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Let us focus on equation derivation later. Firstly, to draw the FBD. Okay. Then the right side plane. So it is like this one, oh sorry, this, and suppose this is R2 and the weight of this plane W2, and this RB, just like this left side plane, so RB, and it is inclined with beta degree. Okay, so in this way हमने सभी का फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बना लिए, and then how to write the equilibrium, how to apply the equilibrium conditions, how to get the means equations. So from this sphere, summation of fx we are applying, then we will apply summation of fy. What about summation of moment? Can we apply here? No, because all the forces are concurrent. That's why this we cannot apply. Okay, what about summation of fx is equal to 0? So better with the help of this figure we do it. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा आपका, this fx and R A positive direction, this we are taking positive, and this we are taking negative. Okay, so this one, this R A with angle, so angle is making here, this one, this with this it is making alpha angle. Okay, so what will be RA sin alpha, and direction RB का direction कैसा है, it is in negative direction, so that's why RB and sin beta is equal to 0. So this is our first equation. Okay, by applying this one, by applying summation of fy is equal to 0, so क्या हो जाएगा, R A in positive direction means this we take positive, so R A, and इस sin alpha है तो ये सीधा सीधा cos alpha हो जाएगा, and plus RB cos beta, and weight is acting downwards. Okay, so that's why W is equal to 0, and this is the equation number 2. Okay, so coming to the inclined planes. So after applying the equilibrium condition for the x-axis, we get t minus Ra sin alpha. So this is the third equation. Okay, and what about summation of f y is equal to 0, then w is acting downward, and r1 with positive, w1 with negative, and Ra is making alpha degree with the vertical axis. Okay, that's why cos alpha is equal to 0. So this is the equation number 4. And lastly, from the right side plane, in the same way we can get this is t. So what will be fx is equal to 0, summation of fx is equal to 0, so t is in negative direction, and rb with the positive direction, rb, and it will be what, horizontal, vertically it is, means there is a angle beta with the vertical axis, that's why cos beta is equal to 0. This is the fifth one, and summation of f y is equal to 0, then r2 is acting this one is acting upward direction, in upward direction, and this w2 is acting in downward direction, that's why minus, and the rb now, yeah, there is just some correction, this will be actually sin beta, this will be sin beta. Coming to this, r2 minus wr2 minus means w2, and then rb is acting in negative direction, so it will be rb and cos beta is equal to 0. This is the sixth one equation. Okay, so our purpose was to get the derivation. Yeah, this is our purpose. सो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किए, अप्रोच क्या है, सबसे पहले फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाए, सभी एक सिस्टम में कितने सब सिस्टम्स हैं, सो दे आर 3 सब सिस्टम्स, स्फीयर एंड 2 इंक्लाइंड प्लेन्स. देन फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम ऑफ ईच सब सिस्टम, सो स्फीयर का फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाएं, एंड फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाने के बाद विथ एंगल, how to get the angle, means W and angle between this weight of the sphere and the contact reactions. So similarly जो angle आपका ये यहाँ पे बीटा जो बन रहा है सब in this figure, जो एंगल बीटा बन रहा है वही यहाँ पे आपका वेट एंड रिएक्टिव फोर्सेस के साथ वही एंगल बनते हैं. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दिस द free body diagram of the inclined plane, this one inclined plane, then the free body diagram of the means right side. So in this way फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम हमने बनाया. उसके बाद हाउ टू गेट the equations, means how to apply the equilibrium conditions so that we can get the unknowns. So in this way we have applied the equilibrium conditions for each subsystem, for sphere and for the inclined planes left side, this is, and this one. So the main thing is to draw the free body diagram of the each system or subsystem. Then means after getting a FBD, then easily we can apply the equilibrium conditions, and after applying, then easily we can get the answers. So with the help of these 6 equations, we can get the final answer, means this W divided by T is equal to cot alpha and cot beta. Thank you.